case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the ruling known as Wildenhus's case of 1887, the Supreme Court of the United States made a significant decision regarding the complex nature of maritime law and state jurisdiction. At the heart of the case was the question of whether a foreign state had the authority to enforce its laws for serious crimes committed by foreigners on board merchant vessels docked in its ports. The case was underpinned by a treaty between the United States and Belgium. The treaty, only one among numerous such accords the U.S. has with other nations, empowers consuls and their aides to regulate orderliness and resolve maritime contentions on their respective nations' merchant vessels. The majority opinion was engrossed in a conundrum. Are the prisoners in question being detained in contradiction of said treaty? The unraveling of the case ensued when a mate of an American merchant ship was charged with a crime in the French port of Havre. The French court assumed jurisdiction based on the international legal principle that every state has the authority over crimes committed within its territory, even those committed on foreign merchant vessels. Reflecting on this, the Supreme Court of the United States emphasized a critical guideline in international law. A merchant ship entering a foreign port is answerable to the laws of that territory. British jurisprudence was also referenced, as British courts reinforced this recognition of the rights of the hosting country to take legal action against crimes committed on foreign merchant vessels. Thus, the Supreme Court endorsed the lower court's decision. They ruled that the French court indeed had jurisdiction to prosecute crimes committed by a foreign crew member in Havre port. Serving a broad state interest in quelling port crimes, this decision thus reinforced the position that merchant ships aren't exempt from the laws of the country in which they dock, irrespective of their nationality. By entering a foreign country voluntarily for trade and seeking its protection, the owner of a vessel is proving a temporary allegiance, and in doing so, must abide by the laws of their temporary shelter.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.